Hello everybody, my name is Sophia1001 and today we will be continuing our advanced map edit of Spooky Town, and today we'll be working a little bit on scripting and we'll be setting up the event, which is the Vermilion City Gym, which is instead going to be the Spooky Town Gym. Let's get started. So, starting off things, let's work on a little bit of scripting. First things first, the gym. You double click that with your PKSVUI script editor attached to advanced map, and this should come up. Lock all, set variable, special, message box, call stead, release all, end. What this is doing is first, lock all. That means your player cannot move while this is going on. Nobody can move while this is going on. Set variables, just the things that it's setting up, like frame checker. What it's doing is this here is setting up what the frame checker is going to register under Lieutenant Surge and what line. And then the message box, it makes it jump and read this text. Vermilion City Pokemon Gym Leader, Lieutenant Surge, the Lightning American. And then Colstead message closed. Release all, which means they closed all the messages and now your player can move around, and then end. The box goes away, the text box. So this is already set up and we'll just edit a little bit. So we don't want Vermilion City Pokemon Gym Leader. We want Spooky Town Pokemon Gym Leader, and her name is going to be Fanta. And she's not the Lightning America, she is the Ghost Whisperer. Period. Then you go up to ROM, the capital ROM, compile. Then this should come up. If you scroll all the way down, there's something that pops up. If you get something that says unreadable, doesn't make sense, then your thing doesn't look like this. And we're not starting from scratch here. This is just the gym sign that was already there. We'll be doing other stuff like that later. Today is just very basic scripting, taking what's already there and changing it. So, Spooky Town, Pokemon Gym Leader, Fanta the Ghost Whisperer. Okay, so then I close it. You can save your work. All that does is save this in a document, but I'm okay, don't need to be saved. And then open script, and now it says Spooky Town, Pokemon Gym Leader, Fanta the Ghost Whisperer. It's not Whipper, it's Whisper. Whoops. That could have been bad. Compile. Again, since I changed it. Exit off. No. Open script. The Ghost Whisper. There we go. I cannot spell if you haven't noticed yet. So then that's changed. Let's go here. This, remember, was the Spooky Town sign. Now instead it's called the Vermilion City, the port of exquisite sunsets. So let's change that. Spooky Town. The hidden village, or the... I wanted to go down, so dash P. Village of Spirits. ROM compile. Scroll down. Make sure that's alright. Okay. Good to go. Saving the name. Open script. Spooky Town, the hidden village of spirits. Okay. Moving on, what do these other signs say? Pokemon Fan Club, all Pokemon fans welcome. Well, we don't want that to be the Pokemon Fan Club. This is instead going to be Maya Williams house. Run compile. And what this does, run compiling, it saves this new message into the script that's already there, the script number. Okay, so now open it again. There we go, Mayor Williams house. Okay, then this one here, what does this say? Vermilion Harbour. Well, this is no longer the Vermilion Harbour. This is going to be, oh, I don't know. The cave of the wisp. From compile. No errors. Okay. Open script. The cave of the wisp. Perfect. Now up here. Notice Route 2 world might be blocked off by a sleeping Pokemon. Detour through Rock Tunnel to Lavender Sound. Vermilion Police. Well, we don't want that anymore. Again, not Vermilion City, so let's just be a trainer tips. Trainer tips. When playing a room, let's do -n. When playing a room, -p, use enter for start. From compile. Open the script. Trainer tips when playing a room, use enter for start. Okay. So we fixed all those. So pretty basic stuff. Now say we want to do something completely different. Let's take this girl here. What does she say? Be careful about pollution here. We've heard grammar multiplies in toxic sludge. Okay, we don't need grammar here. So we're going to be using tools. That's a nice thing about PKSVUI. For beginner scripters, it's got a script generator. So you click that, and this person is going to give us a Pokemon. Give Pokemon script. Who's she going to give us? She's going to give us, okay, she'll give us a Blaziken. Blaziken at level not 34. We want it to be, let's make it 45. Okay. Its item will be none. It's not going to hold an item. Okay. Doesn't matter. Okay, so you want to go down here, and when it says add Pokemon, you're going to get rid of the times E. Delete that. Well, let's just show you what happens if you leave it. Times E. ROM compile. When you go down here, it says unknown value and add Pokemon. That's the equivalent of an error message. Whenever it says unknown value, then there's something wrong. So backspace and get rid of the times E. From compile. Scroll down and look, no more error message. Error message. Okay. So now this person, open script. Oh, nope, it didn't compile right. So, script generator. Get Pokemon, okay. 45. ROM compile. So actually what we're going to do is go down here to start and copy that code there, since we changed what type the script it is. So exit, exit. You can keep this up if you want you want to have what you did originally there. Then copy that and leave 2 zeros, and then Control V, paste, open script, and look, there's the Blaziken. So all this does really is make the person give you the Blaziken. It doesn't. You get the message. You got VHO2, which is in this case is Blaziken. So if you look up here, let's break this down and tell you what it is. This is check flag O times 1, and the flag is again just something that it puts down whenever you get it. So if it's true, you jump down to code 2. So if that flag has already been set, you jump down to code 2, release N, nothing happens. But if it's not true, go down, set flag fire red Pokemon, count the Pokemon in your party, compare, and you want to check, the computer's going to check the last result and see what number it is out of 6. If it's equal to 6, it jumps down to code 3. So go down here to code 3. It goes to text 2, which is you don't have enough room in your party. So that's how it checks to make sure you don't accidentally put 7 Pokemon in your party. Then go back here. Since it wasn't true, it's going to add the Pokemon Blaziken level 45, no item held. It's going to set the flag, so then instead of 0 there, the computer will read that it's 1 times 1, so that'll make it equal. Fanfare, it's going to do a little jingle, show message, wait fanfare, wait button, release end. And it's going to give us the text after the Pokemon. You got a VHO2, which in this case is Blaziken. Put you here. Oh, get rid of that. That was something else I was working on. I'll show you guys that later. I forgot I didn't take it off. So let's see, what else do we want to change? We want to change what this person says, because remember, we put HM08 here. But I want to change that HM08. No. So this person here, you double click what he says. Look, face player, set the flag. Oh, hello, VHO1. How are you doing? It's me, one of Professor Oak's aides. I've got a package for you. Please look for him. So we'll leave that. Oh, hello, VHO1, which in this case is going. VHO1 is always going to be the player's name. So it says, hello, Saphira. Have you heard of the move -P dive -N? It is supposed to be hidden around here. Period. Well, let's make it hidden -P. Okay, we'll compile, and since we didn't change the message, it should stay, no errors. Open script. Have you heard of the move dive? There you go, perfect. Then this rook. I have here the rook smash script offset, which is 1BEOOC, and I want to make it movement 11. Unknown, it's not a trainer. Unknown, view radius. Person ID, I want to be whatever, I'll make it 1C. So now when you go open script to it, you got the rock smash script, which goes through special initial step count, compare the last result. If it's true, jump to code 3, which means if you click there randomly, if you click at the rook when it's not there anymore, nothing will happen. But if it's not true, then you go down. There will normally be a check the million Pokemon check fire red badge _3, but I got rid of that since we're not doing badges yet. Then check attack rock smash was next, And since there is Rock Smash, it'll go down and compare it. It'll compare the check move Rock Smash to the 6 Pokemon in your party. If it's equal to, so it does have Rock Smash, it'll jump down to code 4, which is down here. It's a rugged rock. So text 3, it's a rugged rock, a Pokemon manual. Sorry, read that wrong. If it's equal to no Pokemon knowing, 0 of the 6 Pokemon knowing Rock Smash, it'll go down and say, oh, it's a rugged rock, but a Pokemon may be able to smash it. So, what is? So if you do, it's going to go down to set animation 0 times 800D, store party Pokemon 0 times 800D, store attack 1 times F9, which is Rock Smash. Then the text 1 will appear. This rock appears to be breakable. Would you like to use Rock Smash? Then the message yes, no will appear. If you go down to, if you click no, if the person last results no, it'll jump down to code 5, which is just end it. If you say yes, it'll go down to whichever Pokemon it is, HO2, used VHO3, and VHO3 in this case would be Rock Smash. So then it would close the message, it would do animation times 25, wait special, which is just wait for a little bit, jump code 6, so no, code 6, applied movement, last hooked, rock animation end. So then we do the little Rock Smash movement of the Pokemon flying up on screen and then the rock disintegrating. Pause event, disappear last hooked, and that would make, this was the last hooked to thing, it would disappear. Special AB, compare last result, which special AB just makes it go away. If it's equal to, jump to code 7, which is release or end. So then it's all good, and you'd be able to go into the cave. But we'll be setting up the cave in a, maybe next time, we're not 100% sure. So anyway, that's Rock Smash. Now you understand how that works. And just to show you actually how that all works, I'm actually going to change this from dive to Rock Smash, HMO6, and I'll just edit what he says. Have you heard of the move Rock Smash? It is supposed to be hidden. So ROM compile. That's all good. Save the work now. All right. So let's test this out, shall we? I actually need to go back to Waterfall City. Save changes. Yes. Go back in here. Because I was working on another town of mine, Sandy Town earlier. So setting that up, so I had the warp go there, so let me fix that. And now I wanted to go to warp number, whatever, I guess it'll be 4, Spooky Town, which is 3.5, go to, so changes yes. Where does it take me out? Pokemon, I didn't want to come out to Pokemon. Which one is this? Oh, I hate when it does that. Sometimes Advanced Map gets this little glitch where it doesn't show you what number it is. I don't know why for sure, but I'm just gonna have to guess. I'll make it 4, 5, go 2, so I've changed it to yes. Hey, what do you know? I got lucky there. Alright, so let's save and pull up. We'll be going over that in a little bit. My Visual Boy Advance. Scroll down. Run. Open. Whichever game. And now I'll see you in a minute when I get through this. Hello everybody, back. Okay. So I changed the Pokemon from Gardevoir to, I'm like, oh, I gotta go this time. Just just because I like Umbreon. Umbreon was my favourite Pokemon actually. Let's turn down that volume. Better. Okay, it's a bit of leave here. Okay, that's good here. See, we didn't really do much with the Blaziken. It's just, like I said, PKS, this one, the script generators are just really basic. They don't do any words. So we'll be going more over that though later. But we got a Blaziken, level 45. Yay! Okay. So go up. I don't know why that person keeps disappearing. Oh, I know why. Okay, it needs to check the flag from Pewter City. That's why he's not showing up. Okay, but I got the HMO 6, which is Rock Smash. TN case open. Use. Blaziken wants to learn the move. Yes. Okay. Let's go down. So we change that. The Cave of the Wisp. Mayor Williams' house. Spooky Town Pokemon Gym. Leader Fanta. The Ghost Whisperer. Spooky Town. The Hidden Village of Spirits. Trainer tips. When playing a room, use enter for start. Look, I click enter and there's the start menu. That's really great advice. So then let's show you. I explained to you in detail what the Rock Smash does. And let's see it in action. Would you like to use Rock Smash? Yes. You can use Rock Smash. So all that coding. Oh, and there's a wild Pokemon. Beedrill. Umbreon. I'll eat it with Faint Attack. Goodbye, Beedrill. Okay, now if you notice, it's gone. Now I won't go into the cave because it doesn't lead anywhere yet and it'll just take me nowhere. No, actually, I'll show you where it would take me because that's what we need to see for now. The default. Oh! Wow, I feel stupid. I forgot we set it to Rock Tunnel. So now look. It just takes me to Rock Tunnel. Okay. I forgot that. You know what, Zubat? I never liked you. You know, it would be really funny if I'd found a shiny there. Oh, okay. Hey, look at that. So something is wrong with the warp. That's how we know that. So let's go back to our advanced map. Why did the warp take us there? I wonder. Let's go down. Let's roll. 10, map bank 3, 5. Okay, so there's no warp 10. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's only 9, so something's off. I guess I deleted a couple of warps, that's right. From the Vermilion Harbour. So let's bring that down to 8 to go to. Save changes, yes. And now it leads me here. So there you go. So this should actually be 7. Go to. Yes. There we go. So now it would work properly once we save it and we redid the game. We reopened the game, not redid the game. Oh gosh, no. Alright. So now we saw that. Let us get to work on the Pokemon Gym.